Hello guys, good afternoon. Kauuwi lang po natin. We just get home from work. So, we have, we stopped by a grocery and we spend, we went to Safeway. So, our grocery for today is cost us $27.30. So, we'll see what we get in our $27.30. So our banana, 1, 2, 3, 7 banana it's cost us $3.20. So $3.20. Yan. 7 pieces, $3.20. So yan, that's part of our $27. So we have potato. We have, this one is 5 pounds potato. And this one costs us $6.99. Maybe it's cheaper in your state. But in California, this is our California price. So our blackberry, so this one blackberry guys, this one is $6.99. So ito, ganito, $6.99. California price. So because wala tayong salad, wala tayong gawing salad, so bumili ako ng ganito guys. Salad na siya oh. So malaki siya. So, this is good for 2 meals for me. So, salad. So, salad is, this one is $9.99. So, meron na siyang lettuce at meron na siyang, there is a chicken already. So, I can divide this to 2 and I can eat this one for Tuesday and Wednesday. So, this is 2 lunches for me. So, this is California price. So, all of these 4 items, including my banana, 4 items, it's already $27.30. So maybe in your state, part of America, maybe this one is cheaper, but in California, it's totally different price, guys. So thank you guys for watching, for our showing our price today. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.